here you take now VI divided by II means that is input voltage divided by input current. You take according to Ohm's law here. What is our equation here? V divided by I. So what you are writing resistance here, that is input side, right? So for that you take input voltage divided by input current. Okay, after that you write one more equation for the input without RL, means neglect the RL here. So where RL is infinity, okay, when RL is infinity, so for that you can write down Ri is equal to Rin, okay, when RL is not connected. So what you got Rin here? Vi divided by II. Same thing you substitute here. Second one. See, these parameters are very important here. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. Understood? So voltage gain. Okay, voltage gain means what here? AV. Okay, AV stand for what here? Voltage gain. Current gain is different, voltage gain is different. So voltage gain means what here? AV, that is V0 divided by VI. Gain means what? Output by input, right? Same thing, right? V0 divided by VI. Next, open circuit voltage gain. Suppose when RL is not connected, okay, for the circuit when RL is not connected, RL is infinity. Okay, in this condition we can write AV naught is equal to AV. Okay, AV naught means what here? Open circuit voltage gain. Okay, we can write now open circuit voltage gain. Understood? So AV naught means right on this point here, open circuit voltage gain, that should be equal to voltage gain when RL is not connected, when RL is infinity. Understood? So what you got AV here? V naught divided by VR. Third one, current gain. Current means output current divided by input current. Okay, we have to find out the gain here for the current. You take output current divided by input current. Next, when RL is not connected, okay, when RL is 0, okay, in this condition we want to find out the current gain, that is AIS. Okay, AIS means short circuit current gain. Okay, short circuit input current gain. Okay, I means what here? Input. O means what here? Output. Here we are writing equation for the short circuit input current gain, that is AI, when RL is not connected, means RL is 0. For the voltage, RL is infinity. Remember this one. When writing for the gain equation, okay, when writing for the gain equation, okay, when RL is not connected, you have to mention RL as a infinity. Okay, when writing for the current gain equation, okay, that is for the RL is not connected, then you can mention RL is 0. Next, fourth one, short circuit transconduction. Okay, write the short circuit transconduction GM. GM means output current divided by input voltage. Okay, output current divided by input voltage when RL is not connected. Next, overall gain, voltage gain. Okay, overall voltage means it's a complete. Okay, complete amplifier gain. Okay, inside outside you have to mix up. Okay, you have to take gain inside and outside the amplifier. Okay, you have to take total gain inside plus outside. You'll get a overall. Okay, G stand for what here? V naught divided by V signal. Okay, V naught divided by V signal. Same thing when RL is infinity. When RL is infinity means GV naught. GV naught is equal to GV. GV means what here? V naught divided by V signal. Then output resistance. Okay, so we need to find out the output resistance here. Remember this one, this is very important here. For find outing output resistance, you have to neglect the input source. Okay, for find outing the output resistance, you have to neglect the input source. Andre V signal is equal to 0, means input voltage, source voltage is 0. From that we can find out the output resistance, otherwise no. Okay, for find outing output resistance here, don't include the input source. Okay, don't include the input source. Okay, so for that you can write the R out is equal to now Vx by Ix. Vx means test voltage, Ix means test current. We want to find out the current and voltage across the output of the amplifier. Okay, Vx Ix means we want to check the voltage and current across the output side. That's why written X. X means we want to check. You can use the multimeter or you can use the CRO. From that we can check the current here. Means we want to measure the current. From that we can find out the R out. When input is 0 means we want to neglect the input. So output resistance amplifier proper. Okay. Same what we discussed this one here. So here Vi is 0. Same. Okay, this one same here. Next to take here we want to write the equivalent circuit. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. Okay, this one is circuit diagram. All of you write on this diagram here. Okay, so here there is amplifier here. Okay, for the amplifier you take input terminal. Okay, you take input terminal. So what is input terminal? This. Okay, this one is input. So what is output here? This one. This is output. Understood? We want to take separate input and output. Okay, this is for input and this is for output. When you come for the analysis here you have to write the equivalent circuit. Okay, when you come for the analysis here, we want to write the output. Okay, that is very important here. So output means we know that V naught is output. Input means we can take Vi is input. Is it? From that we can do this one here. Next to take equivalent circuit here. Okay, so this one is what here? Input. So this one is what here? Input. Okay, and this one is what here? Output. So input terminal, what are the input terminal for the op amp here? V signal, R signal, then R in. Okay, then Vi. Understood? Then output terminal. What are the output terminal parameters here? AV naught. Okay, we can find out the overall voltage gain or open circuit voltage gain. That is AV naught into Vi, then R naught, then RL, then V naught. So these are the parameters. Okay. So these are the outside the amplifier parameters. Okay, these are the outside the amplifier parameters. We are not talking about inside. Okay, there is no connection from here to here, right? We are neglected. We are neglected inside the amplifier parameters. Okay, now inside parameters are neglected. Okay, only we are talking about outside the amplifier parameters. Okay, see the circuit diagram here. Okay, what are the input parameters here outside? R signal, V signal, R in, then Vi. Here V naught, RL, V naught, then AV naught. Okay, same thing we written here. Okay, same thing written. So any doubts here? For this equivalent circuit, any doubts are there here? Even for the input parameters, output parameters, any doubts are there? We can ask me now. Otherwise, I'll start the derivation. Because ಈ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇದೆ ಒಂದೇ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬರೋ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ 14 to 15 ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿ ನೌ ಓನ್ಲಿ Trupti, any doubts are there? Trupti. She is absent in the class, I think. Suvana Parviz. Suara?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts are there?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, we'll start the derivation now. First to take okay. First to take now. This one is the voltage source. Okay, this voltage source we want to convert for the current source. Okay, so here what is voltage source here? That is V0. Okay, V0 we want to convert for the current source. Okay, so for that to take equation now. Okay, here R0 is seriously connected with voltage source. Okay, here R0 is seriously connected with voltage source here. When you come for the current source here, the R0 that should be parallel with the current source. Okay, means we are making a source transformation. Okay, that is from voltage to current source. Okay, we are making a voltage transformation, that is from V0 to I0. Okay, right on this one. So write the V0 by I0. Understood? Then you take equation now according to current. Okay, you take GM equation. What is GM equation here? That is I0 by Vi. Okay, GM is equal to what? I0 by Vi. So you write the equation now. Okay, AB0 into Vi divided by R0. That should be equal to what here? GM into Vi. Okay, AB0 means what here? GM into R0. Understood? So this is the equation here. So we are making a source transformation from voltage source to current source. Okay, for that we can write the equation now, GM into Vi. Okay, GM into Vi. Or you can take equation I0. I0 is equal to what here? GM into Vi. GM into Vi. Next, when GM is outside, so what will get here? I0 divided by Vi. Okay, I0 divided by Vi. So here there are same parameters here: V signal, R in, current source, R0, RL. Okay, so these are the parameters here. Understood? Next, same thing we can write the equivalent circuit here. Okay, we can write the equivalent circuit. Instead of writing two resistance here, we can take R out here. Okay, then R signal, then Vi, R in, next GB0. Okay, GB0 means what here? Overall voltage gain. Okay, overall voltage gain for the amplifier multiply with the V signal. Understood? After that, we take relationship here. Okay, for this circuit. Okay, for this circuit, you take the circuit here. From this circuit, we want to find out the VTH. Okay, we want to find out the VTH, then RTH. So what is VTH here? Thevenin's equivalent voltage. Okay, RTH means what here? Thevenin's equivalent resistance. What is VTH formula here? Huh? VCC into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. This is what here? VTH. What is RTH here? RTH is equal to what? R1 into R2. R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, this is for RTH. Okay, this is for RTH and this is for VTH. Understood? Next, same procedure you take. First, you find out VTH. Okay, first you find out VTH here. So for that, you take source voltage means VCC multiply by the R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, so this one is the VI. So apply VI. Okay, for this input here. Okay, apply VTH. Okay, voltage divider rule here. So here we want to find out the VI. Okay, VI nothing but what here? VTH. Remember this one. VI is equal to what here? VTH. What is VTH formula? VCC into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay. So what is VCC here? V signal. Okay. V signal is what here? VCC. Okay. What is R2 here? R in. Then R in plus R signal. Okay. Same thing the written here. Okay. R in divided by R in plus R signal. Next, V signal you take it left side here. Okay. V signal you take it left side. We'll get VI divided by V signal. Okay. VI divided by V signal is equal to R in divided by R in plus R signal. Okay, you write the gain equation, that is VI divided by V signal, then R in divided by R in plus R signal. Understood? Next, output side. You take output side. This is output, right? What are the parameters are there here? R0, RL, V0, AV0 into VI. These are the output. For the output side, you take now V0 equation. Okay, apply VTH. So apply VTH now for the output side. VTH nothing but what here? V0. Okay, so we want to find out the V0. Okay, according to Thevenin's voltage. So what is VCC here? That is this one. This is the input here. This is the input for the output side. That is AV0 into VI multiplied by the RL divided by RL plus R0. Same thing that time. V0 is equal to what here? AV0 into VI. Okay, this is the VCC. Okay, this is the VCC term. Instead of writing VCC here, what you taken here? This source, voltage source, that is AV0 into VI. So take now AV0 into VI into RL divided by RL plus R0. Next, here VI you take it left side. Okay, only you take VI term. You take outside here, you get V0 divided by VI, nothing but a voltage gain equation. Then what you got final equation here? AV0 into RL divided by RL plus R0. Okay, so VI will take it left side here, we'll get AV0 equation. Okay, so what you got AV0 equation here? RL divided by RL plus R0. Understood? This is equation number 2, and first one is equation number 1. Okay, then you take AV0 equation. Okay, GM into R0. So this one. Here you take what you got here from current source transformation equation from voltage source to current source. That is AV0 is equal to what here? GM into R0. Okay, open circuit voltage is equal to what here? GM into R0. You take third equation. AV0 is equal to GM into R0. Understood? Next, here you take output side here. You take V0 equation. Okay, output side V0 equation you take according to VTH. That is AV0 into VI. Then RL divided by RL plus R0. Then multiply by 1 by V signal on both sides. Okay, so multiply by 1 by V signal on both sides here. So you'll get V0 divided by V signal is equal to AV0 into VI divided by V signal, then RL divided by RL plus R0. Okay, then here you can write the equation like you take equation number 1 here. So what you got equation number 1 here, Vi divided by V signal, that is Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Okay, from the equation 1, what you got here, Rin divided by Rin plus R signal, that is for the Vi divided by V signal. Okay, so here there is a Vi divided by V signal, substitute Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Okay, instead of writing Vi divided by V signal here, what you got from the equation 1 here, Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Same thing you substitute. So AB naught you write as it is here. Then RL divided by RL plus R naught, write it same. Okay. So here you can write the GB equation. Okay, what is GB equation here? Overall gain. Overall gain equation, that is V naught divided by V signal. Okay. Here there is a scene. The fifth point discussed, right? Overall voltage gain means what here? V naught divided by V signal. Okay, here you got equation in the form of V naught divided by V signal here. So you got now GB. Okay, GB is equal to now Rin divided by Rin plus R signal, AB naught. Then RL divided by RL plus R naught. Then you take equation number 1 here. Okay, that is Vi divided by V signal, then Rin divided by Rin signal here, multiplying on both sides. Okay, you take this equation here. Equation number 1, you take equation number 1 here. So multiply by V naught on both sides, we'll get V naught divided by V signal, then V naught divided by Vi, then Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Understood? So this Vi, you take it left side. Okay. The first equation, Vi, you take it right side here, we'll get V naught divided by Vi. Then multiply V naught here, that is V naught divided by V signal. Then Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Then take RL is infinity. Okay, take RL is infinity here, means RL is not connected here. See here, you take RL is infinity. Okay, so when RL is infinity means RL is not connected. Okay, when RL is not connected means we can write equation V naught divided by V signal when RL is infinity. That should be equal to Rin divided by Rin plus R signal into V naught divided by Vi. Okay, so when Rin is what is the equation Rin here? That is Ri, because RL is infinity. Then Rin, what is the equation here? When RL is infinity, again Ri, then R signal. Then when RL is infinity, what is the equation for the V naught divided by Vi here? AV naught. Okay, then V naught divided by V signal. So V naught divided by V signal when RL is infinity, what is the equation here? JV naught. Okay, substitute here. We got equations, right? In earlier we got total 6 equations. When RL is infinity, when RL is connected. Okay, right side, what we connected here? RL is infinity, means there is no load. Left side, we connected RL here. Okay, when no load is here, okay, when no load means we have to take these equations. Okay, Ri is equal to Rin, AV naught is equal to AB. Okay, AIS is equal to AI. Okay, GB naught is equal to GB. Okay, R naught is equal to Vx divided by Ix. Same thing you substitute here because RL is infinity. Okay, when RL is infinity here, you write the equation in the form of V naught divided by V signal is equal to what here? GB naught. Then Rin is equal to Ri. Okay, then V naught divided by Vi is equal to AB naught. Okay, this is equation number 5 here. Okay, after that, take voltage divider rule from the figure number C here. You take third figure here. Okay, apply voltage divider rule here. Okay, apply the voltage divider rule here for the figure number C. From that, we can write the V naught equation. Okay, output side you take here. Okay, for the figure number C, output side you take. Okay, so V naught is equal to now VTH. Understood? V naught is equal to VTH here. Apply. So apply VCC into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Same thing you take now GB naught into V signal RL divided by RL plus R out. Okay. So V signal you take it left side here, we'll get V naught divided by V signal here. V naught divided by V signal means GB. Okay. Then GB naught, then RL divided by RL plus R. Okay. Equation number 6 is final equation. Here you got GB equation, GB naught equation, is it? Then GB equation. Okay, after that we got AB equation, then V divided by B sigma. Okay, these are the different parameters. Understood? So is there any doubts here? You can ask me now. So this was the complete derivation for the general amplifier. Okay, general amplifier. GB naught, GB. Okay, the main thing is you want to practice the circuit analysis for the output side, input side, how to apply voltage divider rule here. Okay, that is very important here. If you know the VDR here, voltage divider rule, then we can easily find out the equations. Understood? So is there any doubts here? We can send the WhatsApp here. Okay. So I will stop the class now. Is there no doubt? You can send me the WhatsApp message. Yes, you can leave the meeting now. Is there any doubt? You can send me the WhatsApp message. I will stop here.